Hello, Activity English 1. Text 4. Speaking. Shakira Alexandra Morales, present at Janet Liliana Urbano en la Universidad Nacional a Distancia. Personal present. My name is Shakira Alexandra Morales Perez, 26 years old, national in Colombia, city in Arauca. My family is made up of my mom, 2 sisters, and 2 nieces. We are all women. I have a boyfriend, a dog, your Dino. I work in managed flower student program in environment engineer. Likes, dislikes. I like cooking. I like to read. I like to dance. I like to travel. I like to learn. Dislike watching TV. I dislike disorder. I dislike get the wet. Try. My last try was to the Nevada Cucuy. I met the frailejones with stopped and visit one of the pairs where they snowed. It was wonderful. I learned about to the nota de boyacense culture. Futuro trip. My next trip is El Nevado de Tatacoa Desert in Neiva. It is a wonderful place in the Colombia for its spicy and the gastronomy. Thanks.